wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best rolling bowling bags. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. The useful thing about the Kaze Sports is that in addition to comfortably accommodating 2 balls, it has 3 separate accessories pockets, which works out well for people who need to keep a variety of small items organized. It sports an attractive camo pattern and includes a vented shoe compartment. However, the stitching may not last very long. At number 9, compact and lightweight, the kaze Strikeforce Single is built for users who only plan to pack their ball, a pair of shoes, and a few tiny essentials for league night or a casual afternoon at the lanes. It sports a vibrant blend of black, red, and white fabric. The handle locks tightly in place and is made in the United States, but shoes must be size 13 or smaller. Coming in at number 8 on our list. For a 2-ball bag, the Brunswick Edge offers plenty of room for extras. Constructed with heavy-duty 5-inch wheels and a thick resilient fabric, nothing about this model will wear down easily. It comes with a 5-year warranty as well. There are bright and attractive design options, each with a large side zippered pocket. However, its balance could be better. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for rolling bowling bags, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, if you're loath to look like a showboat, the Pyramid Prime is worth a gander. It's a low-frills utilitarian model that comes in a variety of subtle designs and performs admirably. A soft carrying handle makes it simple to haul up or down the stairs too. This one's made with tough polyester, and inner cradles keep the ball secure. But the handle locking mechanism is weak. Moving up our list to number 6. A solid construction and tight fortified zippers combine to make the BSI Double a durable, dependable option for bowlers who utilize 2 separate balls or for a team of spouses. The interior cups help keep the balls from rolling around while you're on the move. It's equipped with padded compartments for protection and a heavy-duty strap for ball security. However, its side pocket is quite small. Halfway up our list at number 5. Minimalists who prefer to travel light will likely be satisfied with the Elite Bowling Ace, which will hold 1 ball, a small pair of shoes, and a few ancillary trinkets. Thanks to plenty of air circulation, unpleasant odors shouldn't be an issue. It features a water bottle holder, a handle that extends 21 inches, and wheels that roll very smoothly. At number 4, a plethora of pockets makes the Storm 2-ball more than a bowling ball storage and transportation solution. It's nearly a bona fide piece of luggage. The large wheels offer reliable stability, even if you have to brave some rough terrain en route to the alley. It comes with a smooth contoured hand grip, a 5-year limited warranty, and a sturdy telescopic handle. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. The roomy top pockets of the Storm Signature are easy to access whether the main compartment is open or closed, which is rather convenient. It has a high-end, classy look, and each internal ball section features a clear Velcro cover. It's equipped with tires that provide impressive traction, a handle that's good for tall individuals, and wide wheels for stability. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for rolling bowling bags, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the spacious main compartment of the Pyramid Deluxe contains a strong rigid divider to keep each ball in place. The built-in identification tag is a helpful feature for frequent travelers, and its heavy-duty stitching is ideal for long-term use. There's a huge array of color options, and the rubber wheels don't leave marks. It includes a padded carrying strap. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the top portion of the Storm Thunder actually detaches to become a versatile tote, which comes in handy if you only need a limited supply of gear for a practice session. There's a substantial amount of storage space for anything from shoes to snacks. This one holds 4 balls comfortably and is equipped with easy-to-grab zipper pulls. It's very quiet while rolling too. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for rolling bowling bags, or simply click beneath this video.